Hi guys, welcome back. That's the bird Stanis right here. Today's challenge is that guy. It's called Chambe Peak. It's a 5-star, 5 out of 5 difficulty. One of the 4 hardest peaks in Mulanje, so we're gonna do it in one day. We just did what you call the skyline in like 1 hour 27 minutes. So join me as we chase the sun. Let's go, come on, let's go. Hi guys, just finally did Chambe Peak. It is great. Not as tough as I expected it to be. Guys have been telling me that it's very steep. It was very steep, but not that much. No, it was that much, but it's doable. Let's say. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna have a little rest. It's 10:53 right now in the morning, so we still have more time. So our friends, actually, the plan for today was our friends actually use the milk run path all the way to Chambe Peak and then CCAP Hut. So it's somewhere far from here. My guy says it's 2 hours, so we are just gonna have like a 20 minutes rest, and then we're going to walk like all the way to CCAP Hut. So yeah, challenge is still on. Thank you.